Okay, today I'm going to talk to you about the reverse osmosis hookup, and it's about a half a day, you know, and if you have limited amount of tools it might take you 3/4 of a day because you may have to run go get some stuff. But anyway, pretty much first thing you need to do, you need to find a place. This is a 2-gallon canister that you need to find some place for it to fit, and then somewhere else you need to mount the filter cartridges holder. It's a pretty good size unit. You've got the 2 inline filters, and then you've got the reverse osmosis filter, and keep this wrench on top because you're going to need it whenever you change these things. These 2 screws back here, one there and one over there, that's to hang this thing so that it's easy removal, so that you can get it out here where you can work on it, because you want this thing out of your way so you can put all your other stuff. After you get that set, now you want to start hooking up your lines. Now it shows you in the book you got 3 lines coming from your faucet, which is that one right there. It's a faucet all by itself. You have to drill a hole through the stainless steel sink. Now I have drilled through cast iron. It's got to go in, and then your lines, you have one line, your filter, that goes to the faucet. Then you have a black line that ties into your drain, and the little black one goes over here to your filter system. Now there's a yellow line. This is where you've got to get this off of your shut-off valve, get you a connection for your sink faucet, cold water that is. Then you've got to hook in this valve. This shuts off the water. This yellow line is the water line to all your filters.